Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. With FunnelKit, you can completely customize your store checkout using your favorite page builder. Here's how it works. In FunnelKit settings under store checkout, click Add New Step. In this example, we will select Elementor. Next, you have the option to start with a blank page and design your checkout page from scratch, or alternatively, you can opt to use one of our pre-made templates. Our checkout templates are modern and clean and have been professionally designed to help you convert more of your visitors into buyers. Once you find a template you want to use, preview it to see it in more detail and then click Import Template. As I'm using Elementor, I will go to the admin bar and click Edit with Elementor to edit this page. I will replace the logo from the template with my brands, I will update the colors to match my branding, and adjust the text on the page to my own. Now when customers add items in their cart and go to checkout, they will see your new WooCommerce checkout page that's designed to be modern, clean, and trustworthy. Here are some additional things to know about this feature. When creating your store checkout using one of our supported page builders listed here on the screen, inside the builder you will find dedicated elements for your FunnelKit checkout form and FunnelKit's mini cart widget. Drag these components into the page and then use the page builder's native settings to customize their appearance and behavior. You can design your store checkout using any page builder. If the page builder you use is not listed, for example Beaver Builder, select Other using shortcodes. Design your checkout page using your page builder and add this first shortcode wherever you want to output your WooCommerce checkout form. And optionally, add this second shortcode where you want to output the mini cart widget. Once completed, save your checkout page and view it on your website. The shortcodes will be replaced at runtime with FunnelKit's checkout form and mini cart widget. And worth noting, if your page builder is not listed here specifically, but is based on the WordPress block editor, select Gutenberg up the top here and then click Start from Blank. Then proceed to design your checkout page using your builder, and once you're ready, click up here, and under FunnelKit you will find two blocks, one for the checkout form that you can drag into the page where you want it to be output, and optionally drag the mini cart in if you want that included in your page. With both those blocks added into your page, click Update, and now you'll have a completed store checkout based on the block editor using those two blocks provided by the FunnelKit plugin. Customizing your store's checkout is just one of the many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high-converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.